Hey everyone, welcome to Hero Tech. For the past couple of months, we've been working on making the most compact, professional, and easy to use retractable web shooter, and we've finally done it. As you'll see later, this web shooter both shoots and retracts with the flick of a switch. Based off of Andrew Garfield's amazing Spider-Man design, 5 green LEDs are included in the main body. You can also switch out the web cartridge for a watch cartridge, where a red LED display tells you the time. Next month, we'll be sharing everything you need to make this exact web shooter by yourself. That means all the files, links, a tutorial, everything released for free on this channel. Hit that subscribe button if you don't want to miss out, and follow us on our Instagram linked in the description for even more updates. Without further ado, let's see this in action.